Hey there everyone, this is Cyril Gupta, your best friend in the business, and today I'm going to show you Writix, the all new AI app that simplifies AI for local businesses. Well, a few days ago I saw a stat that really shocked me. Even today, only about 25% of small businesses have adopted AI, and the bulk of them, that 75% of them, have not adopted AI in their business. Well, that needs to change, and Writix is the right tool to change that, because Writix gives you AI, but it's done for you. You see, Writix is the ultimate AI software that makes AI absolutely easy to use. You can just come in, choose what you want to do, and just walk away with the result. This is how simple AI has to be. Well, Writix has nearly 300 workloads right over here for every single business process that you can think of. Things like abandoned cart email, writing an about us page, creating ad copy, ad hooks, ad targeting, adding emojis to text, advanced blog post, AI art. Literally hundreds of workflows are neatly categorized into categories. For example, if somebody wants to work with email, there is the email category, personal tools, advertising tools, book writing, support tools, marketing, SEO, business tools, website content preparation tools, image prompting, coding, sales and marketing, filmmaking, idea generation, repurposing of content, nearly anything that you can think of that you want to work with in your business, whether it's e-commerce or YouTube or copywriting or education or HR. Writix has a tool for it, and it's extremely easy to use. Let me show you. You can either browse the categories for the workloads and go into a category to find more workloads in it, choose the workload that you want, or you can just expand this workload list and search for the workload that you want to work with. For example, let's say you wanted to make an elevator pitch for your business. Writix will ask you a few simple questions and you just need to fill those in and get the answer. Alright, I filled some information in about a fictional product that I call Bingo Bobs. It's just a game, it's a card game, and it's like bingo, but instead of bingo, people yell Bob when they actually find a series. And you can also choose what AI you want to use. So Writix has all the best AIs, all the latest AIs like GPT 4.1, GPT 4.0, Grok 3, DeepSeek, which is a deep thinking model, Cloud Haiku, Cloud Sonnet, LLaMA, all of these models are here. And by the way, whenever new AIs come in, Writix will always have the best AIs coming to it first, so that you can be sure that you're using the best and the latest AIs whenever you use Writix. That's not all. You can even get the same answer from multiple AIs and choose which one is the best. That's exactly what I'm going to do. Click on generate and Writix will get you the results. Check this out. This is the elevator pitch generated by GPT 4.1. You can copy it, you can use it whatever you want. Use this button to copy or use this button to download it to your computer. And this is the elevator pitch generated by Grok 3. So you can choose, you can compare and choose the one that you like the best. And if you want to regenerate, let's say you want to have another go at it, you can just click on the regenerate button and Writix will regenerate it again. Let's pick another one this time. What about a Quora answer? Quora is a great place if you want to interact with people and you want to promote your brand. You can promote your brand and product organically within answers. So again, you got to fill in a few fields. So I've put in the name of the product that I want to promote and the niche. Of course, I will put some more information about the product. This time it's dustbin, which has an organic sensor. So if you put non-organic material in the dustbin, it will tell you so. And the Quora question that I wanted to target was, how can I make sure I don't dispose plastic waste in my organic bin? Of course, you can answer any Quora question that you want, put in the details that you want. You can also put in your website address if you want to. And whenever you're ready, again, choose the AI, choose the language if you want to answer this question, or any content, make any content or process anything in multiple languages or other languages than English. You can do so easily. Once you're ready, click on generate and you will get the result. Check this out. This is a perfectly written Quora answer, written in the tone of a Quora answer, even with a conclusion. You can use it right inside Quora right now and promote your product, right? The product is included organically so that it's non-spammy. That's what it does. Once you're ready, you can either copy, download it, or you can regenerate if you want a new answer. Similarly, There are literally hundreds of workflows out there, like replies for Instagram, replies for Twitter, LinkedIn, research topic finder, resume builder, resume writer, review generator if you want to create a review for a product, even your own product, review article, sales email, scientific report, Instagram reel scripts, live streaming scripts. Everything that you want to do in your business and marketing is covered in Writix, right? You just need to find the workflow and click on it, put in the details and get the outcome. No prompt engineering required, right? That's number one. But that's not all. In Writix, there is a lot more. There are also packages. Let's check out what we get for YouTube branding. You can create YouTube content. You can create shorts and reels, titles and thumbnails by just clicking a button. The packages section automatically figures out what to put in the field, and all you need to do is hit generate. Yes, you don't even need to fill in the box, and you just get the perfect results in one click. And that's not all. You can even create your own custom workloads. Well, it's very simple. There are processes that you need to do very often, and it's very hard to go to AI every single time and type out a long prompt. Why not create a Writix workload and get it done in one instant? For example, I created earlier a workload to get birthday wishes for my contacts on LinkedIn. Let's try creating another workload, this time to welcome people to my Facebook group. So I have given it a workload title, welcome people to FB group, and I have added 3 fields: the name of the person, the style in which I want to welcome the person because I want to change it with every message, and the FB group name so I can use it for multiple Facebook groups. And I can type out the prompt right over here, like create a text message welcoming name in a way. For example, style can be funny, comic or serious, whatever you want. My group name is an FB group name. For example, I have drafted a prompt. Anytime I want to welcome a person, now I can just use the prompt inside of Writix. It will be added to the sidebar. Here we go, welcome people to FB group. Click on it now, and now you can provide the information like name Cyril, style happy, FB group name Technic Force, winners group, and I'm gonna use this time GPT 4.1 in English. Yes, of course. Click on generate, and you can see there is a custom message now for Cyril, and you can paste it inside of your Facebook group and welcome the person. And every time you regenerate, it's gonna be a new message, right? So you can be sure that you are making your group unique, you're making your content unique. It will never be boring. That's what AI can do for you, and that's what custom workloads can help you with. But that's not all. Writix is truly an amazing software to help people with AI, and one of the best features that we built in here is called the interactive task assistant. And all you need to do with this tool is to tell AI what you need. For example, let's draft a letter congratulating an employee on achieving the sales target. Let's use GPT-4o mini this time. Let's draft the letter in English, of course. Click on let's go. And the AI will figure out the questions that it needs to ask you to get the answer. So I'll just put in the details very quickly. So you can see the questions are perfectly spot on. Questions like what specific sales target did they achieve? When was the sales target achieved? Is there a particular project or client? Would you like to include any personal anecdotes? What's the tone of the letter? Is there a reward or recognition? And then you can choose the model. I will probably use this time GPT 4.1. That's fine. Once you're ready, click on generate. And there you have it, a perfectly drafted letter for this specific purpose. It has all the details that you specified, and you can use it right away. Now think about the kind of solution it provides to our customers who can't figure out AI. Well, they don't need to. All they need to tell Writix is what they need, and Writix will figure everything out. Of course, we are going to continue development on Writix and make it an even more amazing tool. So if there's anything that you need us to create in Writix, just use the request tool feature and tell us about the tool that you want us to create in the workload section, and we will create it and include it in the workload section. So this was Writix. I hope you're excited about it just as much as I was excited to create it with my team, and I'm looking forward to see you inside if you get it. This is Cyril Gupta, your best friend in the business, signing off.